Whoa. That's really clearing it up. Let's try this one next. Looks very nice too. Not the same as clear coating it, but it looks good. Okay, here's this. You can see it is very scratched up. Let's see how well this polishes it. And that looks a lot better. There are some portions where you can see there is embedded impurities. Those don't polish out, it looks like. But it looks a lot better than it used to. Let's try a frosted element. This is third party, so it's probably not what LEGO would use, but so that did clear it up some. There got some fibers that got stuck in there from me cleaning it up. Yeah, this is working really well. Yeah, it's really good at clearing these up to make them nice and shiny.